let us discuss a law of indices. As you have started reading indices from class 7 and different laws are there. So we will discuss on such laws for the first time. Okay. Uh, okay. The first law is called product law. Okay. Product law. Product law. Okay, so product law is like this. If there are same base, before doing this, let me clear this one. If there is x to the power a, this x is said to be base and a is said to be power, or it is called exponent, or it is called index. So from this word index, the chapter's name indices came. It is plural of index. Okay. So मैले same base भन्यो भने base भन्दा बित्तिकै you just see this one. Check the base. Okay. If the product, there is the product of between same base, okay, into x to the power b, you can see it is the product of the terms having same base. Here is also base x, here is also base x. At that time what we can write is single base. Write a single base and add the powers. Okay, it is called product law and it is generalized. Don't forget, here is, we kept here x, there may be like this, y to the power m into y to the power n. At that time y to the power m plus n. Okay, we will follow like this. It is called product law. Second, there is quotient law. Quotient law. Quotient means division. Okay, now the if the product sign is replaced by division, what will happen? X to the power a divided by x to the power b, it will be x to the power a minus b. Okay, before in product law we just add the powers. In quotient law we will find the difference of the powers. Okay, it is written like this also, remember, x to the power a by x to the power b, it may be like this. So what we will do, we will do x to the power a minus b. Okay, x to the power a minus b, it is called quotient law, but it has some different way also. Some criteria हुन्छ. Okay, for this if a is greater than b, we will do like this, but sometimes x to the power a by x to the power b is written as like this, 1 by x to the power b minus a. Okay, that time we will do if a is less than b. यो चाहिँ a चाहिँ b भन्दा सानो भयो भने यस्तो गर्ने. It is derived from another law है, यो चाहिँ अर्को लबाट डिराइभ गरिएको ल. Okay, that will come again. It is second law. Let's move for third law. In third law there is power law. Power law. Power means there may be power of one power, another power. Okay, suppose if there is x to the power a, again it's whole to the power b. See, if there is x to the power a whole to the power b, then it will be x to the power a multiply b. The powers are multiplied. Or it may be like this also, x to the power b भएर बाहिर a हुन पनि सक्छ. It is for two powers and it will work for many other powers also. Suppose there is p to the power x to the power y whole to the power z again. That time we will write p to the power x into y into z. Okay, it is called power law. And next law I am writing here, fourth, law of zero index. Law of zero index. I think you are familiar with this. Law of zero index means if power is zero, base may be anything. Okay, base may be anything, but if power is zero, the value will be 1. That means x to the power 0 will be 1. 2x to the power 0 will be 1. Okay, 5 to the power 0 also 1. 100 to the power 0 will also be 1. But if there is like this 2x to the power 0, can you tell me what will be this? ये के हुन सक्छ? It will be 2
x
into
को
1.
power 0.
2 into 1, that means 2. Okay, remember it. In this one, here is whole to the power 0. But here is the power 0 is of x only. Okay, don't forget. And say what we know, if we return, we have write xy square, we must know if this square is of y only. But if square is of x also, then we have to write like this, xy whole square. Okay, so it is called law of zero index. Similarly, fifth law of negative index. Law of negative index. How it hold? अघि मैले भनेको थिएँ नि क्वेसन ल पछि आउँछ भनेर यो कुरा I will say so here. Law of negative index means if there is x to the power minus a, then we can write it 1 divided by x to the power a. That means the reciprocal of the power, the reciprocal, while doing reciprocal of the term, the power will be positive or sign change. Sign of the power will be changed. Okay? Similarly, if there is denominator, there is negative. Suppose 1 by x to the power minus a, it will be x to the power a. So we can do according to our ways. अब यहाँ किन यस्तो भयो हेर्नुहोस् है, यो किन यस्तो हुन्छ? Let me show that. Suppose there is x cube divided by x to the power 4. ओके, हुन त यो नसम्झे पनि हुन्छ, यो गर्दा बित्तिकै हामीलाई योतिर आउँछ कुरा हेर्नुहोस् है. They are having same base and between them there is division sign. So we can write single base and the difference 3 minus 4. Now x to the power minus 1. Now generally we will not leave as it is. X to the power negative भयो भने हामीले यतिकै छोड्दैनौ. Now we will do its reciprocal. 1 by x to the power, यसको त 1 by x हुने भयो अनि power 1 चाहिँ अब यहाँ के हुने भयो plus 1 हुने भयो कि power 1 तल भयो भने minus 1. अब डाइरेक्टली यो रुल आयो भने हेर्नुहोस् त, यो a भयो यो b भयो, b त के छ ठुलो छ, a सानो छ भने डाइरेक्टली हामीले के गर्ने 1 by x to the power 4 minus 3 गर्यो भने 1 by x मात्रै भयो. डाइरेक्टली हामीले यो रुलले पनि काम गर्न सक्छौं. I hope you are clear. Hey, यो भयो. And one last law is there according to law of indices. Generally there are 6 laws. Now last one is root law. That means you will be given a root. That the order of the root may be different. Order चाहिँ फरक हुन सक्छ, but you may be given a root. Like हेर्नुस् है, पहिला root को कुरा गरौँ. Root भन्दा बित्तिकै generally radical sign आउँछ. Suppose यहाँ x छ यहाँ y छ भने how to know it? यो x भनेको order हो, यसलाई order भन्छौं, यो radicand हो. Okay, it is radicand. So we have to see the order. अब हामीले के गर्छौं हेर्नुस् है, root यहाँ x छ यहाँ y छ भने root हटाउँदाखेरि हामीले यस्तो गर्छ, y to the power 1 by x. That means the order of the root will be the denominator of the power. Okay, power को denominator तिर गएर बस्छ. जस्तै भनेको square root y भयो भने हामीले y to the power 1 by 2 लेख्नु पर्यो. Okay, similarly square root m छ भने m to the power 1 by 2. Cube root y छ भने y to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, if there is cube root m, it will be m to the power 1 by 3. Now tell me, if there is square root of y cube, then what it will be? Who can tell? If there is square root
1 by 2, okay, 3 by 2.
It will be generally y to the power 3 and its power will be 1 by 2, right? Now if we use the power law, this 3 will multiply with 1 by 2. So it will be 3 by 2. That means what we should understand, the law holds like this. If there is m root x to the power n, then it will be x to the power n by m. Okay, यो x को power n numerator, your root को order चाहिँ denominator. Always the order of the root will stand on denominator. Okay, so these are the 6 different laws of indices which we have to know. Okay, so again let me show you which laws are there. There is the product law at first. Product law means if there is the product between the terms having same bases, then we can write a single base, and we can add the powers, like you can see here, x to the power a into x to the power a. If this format is came, then x to the power a plus b. Similarly, y to the power m into y to the power n, y to the power m plus n. It will hold in similar formats. Okay. Similarly, in quotient law, we will see the bases. If the bases are same, we will find the difference of the powers. Similarly, power law is if there is power of another power, then the powers are always multiplied. Similarly, there is law of zero index. The power 0, the value will be 1. If the power is 0, the value will be 1. Similarly, law of negative index, if we take the term, if we do the reciprocal of the term, the power sign will be changed. है, power को sign change हुन्छ reciprocal गर्दाखेरि. And root law मा चाहिँ the order of the root always stand in the denominator. Okay, that means त्यसको reciprocal power भएर बस्छ. These are the laws. So let us move forward to exercise 8.1 of your book. Exercise 8.1 हेर्नु होला सबैजनाले. Exercise 8.1. Okay, in question number 1 there it is said find the value of in I number in I number there is 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power minus 4. Simply you can see here they are having same bases, so we can write single base and add the power. F4 is minus 4, 4 or minus 4 गर्दा 4 minus 4 हुन्छ, and it will be 3 to the power 0, and it is 1. So many of the students used to write this 0 very small, like this. It is wrong. Okay, it will be wrong. Right, 4 minus 4 is 0. Simple 0. Okay, simple 0 लेख्नु होला. बुझ्नुभयो? It is the precaution taken. Similarly, let us do another one. Let us do this V double I number. V double I. In V double I, there is 16 to the power 1 by 4 into 1 by 8 whole to the power 4 by 3. Okay. Now you can see here, generally if there are powers of any number, any prime number generally, then we should give the power. Like 16 is 2 to the power 4, you know. Yes, 16 is 2 to the power 4. So what we can do is, we write 2 to the power 4, and outside there is already 1 by 4 as power, and what it will be, the power is multiplied. Okay. Similarly, into 1 by 8, it is cube of 1 by 2. Right here, cube into 4 by 3 is already there. You can see. Now what it will be? This in power, there 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Similarly, 3 and 3 will also be cancelled. So what will remain here? 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 4. We are asked to find value. अब हामी के गर्ने, 2 into 1 by 2 को power 4 भनेको 1 by 16 गरेर 2 ले 16 लाई 8 times get गरेर 1 by 8 you can do like this, or यसलाई हामीले यसै पनि लेख्न सक्छौं के हेर्नुस् है 2 into यो भनेको त 2 to the power -4 हो अब यहाँ त 1 छ पावर it will be 2 to the power 1 minus 4 2 power minus 3 2 power minus 3 means 1 by 2 cube and it is 1 by 8 you can do it like this also. Okay, I hope you got
Sir.
Yes.
सर त्यो 4 र 4 काटेपछि 1 बाँकी भयो अनि 2 into 1 गर्नुभएको हजुरले
No, no, no. 2 into 1. यो त पावर हो नि त. This one is the power. यो त पावर हो नि त हेर्नुस् त.
यस सर
यो त पावर हो. हैन र? पावरमा 1 भएपछि त पावरमा 1 त लेखिदैन नि त. 1 छ भने 2 to the power 1 is 2 itself. Isn't it?
यस सर
है सो 2 itself is. यहाँ त 4 आयो. अब यो 1 by 2 into 4 गरेको हो त नि होइन नि त 1 by 2 into 4 गरेको होइन यो त 1 by 2 को पावर 4 गरेको 1 by 2 को पावर 4 भनेको 1 by 1 को पावर 4 वो 1 नै भयो 2 को पावर 4 is 16 सो 2 लाई 16 ले यो 2 र 16 कट हुने भयो 8 आउने भयो यसरी अन्डरस्टुड
यस सर
ओके अभिलेख
सर
स्पीक अप
सर सर 16 होल 1 by 2 हो सर 16 होल 1 by 4 लाई सर हामीले किन 4 root 16 किन नलेखेको
त्यो पनि लेख्न सक्छ है क्वेशनले दिँदाखेरि त्यो त क्वेशन हो नि त कुरा यो क्वेशनले 16 होल 1 by 4 लाई यसरी दिन पनि सक्छ 4th root 16 दिन पनि सक्छ है त्यो चाहिँ थोरै बढी कम्प्लेक्स छ हामी त भ्यालु जेनरली भ्यालु निकाल्दाखेरि यसलाई सिम्प्लिफाई सानो सानो बनाउँदै जाने हो नि त भ्यालु निकाल्दा है यस्तो दियो भने यस्तो गर्ने त्यो त क्वेशनको फर्मेट भयो अभिलेख ओके इट्स अकॉर्डिङ टु क्वेशन अब क्वेशनमा यस्तो आयो भने यो आएको थियो भने पहिला हामीले यसलाई यस्तो बनाउँथ्यौं अनि यस्तो बनाइसकेपछि यस्तो बनाएर बल्ल प्रोसेस अगाडि गर्थ्यौं है let us do one more question. Ix number. Ix. There is a 1 by 128 whole to the power 1 by 7 plus 1 by 64 whole to the power 1 by 6. 128 भनेको कसैको पावर हुन्छ हेर्नुस् त you can factorize if you don't know 2 6 are 2 4 are 2 3 are 2 2 are 2 16 are 2 8 are 2 4 are 2 2 are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 that means 2 to the power 7 so what we can do 1 by 2 whole to the power 7 isn't it into 1 by 7 since there is already 1 by 7 as power plus it is हेर्नुस् त 64 त यो पछि हुन्छ भनेको 6 वटा छ so it will be 1 by 2 power 6 into 1 by 6 equal to 7 र 7 कट भयो 6 र 6 पनि कट भयो so it became 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 हाफ हाफ एड गर्दाखेरि कति हुन्छ 1 हुन्छ है सिंगल 1 युनिट आउँछ like this understood
Yes, sir.
very good
yes sir
so if we solve one more question from here it will be fine better I think let us do with root okay x double I number there is like this 5th root 243 divided by 1024 it is whole the 5th root okay equal to what we can do 243 by 1024 whole to the power 1 by 5 you can हेर्नुस् है अब यो कस्तो हुन्छ भने सपोज if the surname of parents is Thapa, then the surname of their children will also be Thapa. Similarly, यो 1/5 त यो 243 को पनि हो, 1024 को पनि हो. You can give this power to both. 243 को पनि power 1/5 divide by 1024 को पनि power 1/5. You can give like this. अनि तपाईले नदिकन गर्न पनि सक्नुहुन्छ है, that depend upon you. So 243 लाई फ्याक्टराइज गरौँ त कति हुन्छ 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 9 3 ले जान्छ 3 8 जा 24 3 1 जा 3 3 27 जा 3 9 जा then 3 3 जा that means it is the power it is 243 is 3 to the power 5. So let us write 3 to the power 5. There is already 1/5 in power 1/5 divide by 1024 again factorize 1024. It is divisible by 2. 2 5 are 10, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Similarly again by 2. 2 2 are 4, 11, 2 5 are 10, 12, 2 6 are. Again by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 8 are 16. Again by 2. 2 2 6 are 2 4 are. 2 32. 2 16. 2 8 are. 2 4 are. 2 2 are. How many 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 वटा 2 भयो. अब मैले अघि नै यसरी किन छुट्याएको भनेदेखि यसको र यसको एउटै नम्बरको सेम पावर नहुन सक्छ नि त है सेम पावर नहुन सक्छ भने नहुन पनि नहुने रहेछ. सो बेटर टु स्प्लिट है यो पावर 1/4 1 यहाँ कस्तो बेला गर्नु पर्दैन भने यहाँ एउटा 1 छ भने गर्नु पर्दैन तर यहाँ अर्को फरक छ भने छुट्याइदिने के छुट्याएर पावर निकाल्ने है. अब यो चाहिँ 2 to the power 10 रहेछ इन्टु 1/5 छँदैछ है. अब कट गर्नुस् व्हाट विल कट हियर यो 5 र यो 5 कट भयो यो 5 र यो 5 कट भयो 5 2 जा 10 हुने भयो. सो व्हाट विल कम it will be in numerator there will be 3 only and in denominator there will be 2 to the power 2 and it is 3/4. Like this we can solve it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's
Yes,
see the whole
sir.
solution here. So we have completed question number 1. Okay, we have completed question number 1. I request all of you to do the remaining questions. I hope all of you will do. And if you have copy, I think you must have copy nearby you, in front of you, or doing these problems which I have solved here. I request all of you to try this VI number once. The VI number गरेर भन्नुस् त VI. There is 6 into 6 cube. 6 into 6 cube.
So 6.
How much it will come? Use the law of indices. है पहिला 6 को क्यूब निकालेर into 6 गर्न चाहिँ नलाग्नु होला.
1296.
Here is power 1, right?
So 1296.
Okay, thank you. And so here is also
Yes, sir.
base, same base are here. So single right, single base, the power are added 1 plus 3. So it became 6 to the power 4. 6 to the power 4 is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Now multiply 6 is a 36, 6 is 216, 216, 6 is 1200.
So 1296.
Not understood. 1200.
96.
96.
96.
Okay, very good. So 2 number also very easy. हामीसँग टाइम त छैन एउटा चाहिँ गरिहालौं तपाईहरुले मन लाग्यो भने घरमा गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. 2i number स्क्वायर रुट 81 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर भनेको छ। भेरी इजी। हामीले पहिला के गरौँ, 81 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर होल टु द पावर, यो चाहिँ स्क्वायर रुट भएपछि 1/2 आउने भयो। अब यस्तो भएपछि जेनरली स्क्वायरमै लैजाने कि यहाँ एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर छ, 81 लाई 9 को स्क्वायर बनाउने, 9xy को होल स्क्वायर हुन्छ त्यो भनेको, अनि बाहिर 1/2 छँदैछ, अनि यो 2 र यो 2 क्यान्सल हुन्छ, एन्सर कति आउँछ 9xy आउँछ। यसरी गर्छौँ है। So thank you all of you. Let me stop this sharing and see all of your faces again. So let's see here, many of your videos is up. It's